Welcome to All About Math series.
My name is Savannah, and in this video, we'll be discussing composite functions and how to simplify fractions. We might be given a function, f of x is equal to 8 divided by x minus 7. Another function, g of x is equal to 7 divided by x. And they will ask us to find the composition of the two functions. It could also be written like this. I like to read these composite functions back to front. I'll go ahead and put some parentheses around my back function, the g of x, and just write what g of x is. 7 divided by x, and put some parentheses around it. I'll work my f function around this g function, and f is saying 8 divided by x minus 7. And just remember that our g function is replacing our x value for f. I'm going to go ahead and simplify this fraction by multiplying each term by the smaller denominator, the x. On bottom, a division of x, a multiplication of x. These two x's will cancel. And I'm left with a simplified fraction of 8x divided by 7 minus 7x. We might also be given a composition the other way around, g of f of x. We're going to do the same process. Put some parentheses around your back function. Write what your back function is with some parentheses around it. And work your front function around your back function. My front function is saying 7 divided by x. I'm going to go ahead and simplify this fraction by multiplying by the smaller denominator, x minus 7, to each term. On the bottom, the division and the multiplication will cancel. And on top, I'm going to have to distribute my 7 to each term. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times negative 7 is negative 49. On bottom, I just have an 8. We could also be given a composition of the same function, f of x, and we'll do the same process. Put some parentheses around your back function. Write what your back function is with some parentheses around it. And work your front function around your back function. Go ahead and multiply by your smaller denominator to each term. On bottom, the division and the multiplication will cancel. And on top, we'll have to distribute that 8 to each term. As well as on bottom, we'll have to distribute the negative 7 to each term. We're going to be left with 8x minus 7 divided by 8 minus 7x plus 49. And this is almost our simplified fraction, but we still have to combine our like terms in the denominator, the 8 and the 49. 8 plus 49 is 57, and this is our simplified fraction. We could also be given a composition, g of x. Once again, the same process. Put some parentheses around your back term. Write what your back term is with some parentheses around it, and work your front term around it. Go ahead and multiply by your smaller denominator. In this case, it's our x to each term. On the bottom, the division and the multiplication will cancel, and we're left with 7x divided by 7. This is almost our simplified fraction, but we have a 7 in our denominator, a 7 in our numerator, and 7 over 7 is just 1x. Or it can also be known as just x. Thanks for watching this video, and tune in for the next one. Have a good day.
It's a wrap for today's episode of All About Math series. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next All About Math episode.